In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all of your videos private on YouTube at once. It's super straightforward and easy to do, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure you do it all correct and you don't mess up in any way. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, the first step is to actually go ahead and sign into your YouTube account. So just go to YouTube, go on here, and just go to the top right corner here and click the sign in button. And you obviously need to sign into the YouTube channel that you want to private all the videos of. So once we've done that, we want to go to the dashboard. So now that we've gone to the dashboard, we want to go onto the left hand side and click on the content box here. So now that you're on the content section, it should look something like this. And what we want to do is go ahead and click on the little check icon here that says select all. So then, once you've clicked that, you want to click select all here, and that should select every single video on your channel. From there, you want to go ahead and click on edit, and you want to click on where it says visibility. Now, once you've clicked on visibility, there should be an option there to click on private, and you want to go ahead and click on that and then click save, and it should save all of them as private. Now beware, it's going to take a few minutes for this to happen, especially if you have a lot of videos, so just be patient with it. Don't do this too many times, just do it once and just wait for it to work. Now if it doesn't work after say an hour or so, then what you want to do is maybe go back and do it again to make sure you did it correctly. But that's basically how you go about doing it. So if you found this video useful, then please go ahead and like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it was helpful so other people can see this video and get the same great advice. Thank you for watching.